legit. Anything you want.
Spending Bitcoin from personal wallet will be illegal in the U.S., Wyoming bill criticized. In an otherwise dark room, there is a glimmer of light for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. While Japan, Singapore and other ASEAN countries are leading the way, demonstrating to the world that indeed Bitcoin is just but another disruptive technology that governments as well as private institutions can leverage for efficiency as well as cost savings. The first and second largest economies are immersive on blockchain applications as cryptocurrencies. No kind words for innovation. While testifying at the House Financial Services Committee, Jerome H. Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, said Bitcoin as an investment poses serious risks to investors. Relatively unsophisticated investors see the asset go up in price, and they think, "This is great. I'll buy this." There are investor and consumer protection issues as well. And he's not alone. Nouriel Roubini, a NY professor, is a vicious critic and crypto-influencer of cryptocurrencies and specifically Bitcoin. He has been bashing Bitcoin since 2013 and in countless occasions, he has reiterated his stand that Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. Recently, he ate his about blockchain ideals and Bitcoin's overall objective: a centralization in crypto is a myth. It is a system more centralized than North Korea. Miners are centralized, exchanges are centralized, developers are centralized, dictators. Buterin is dictator for life, and the Gini inequality coefficient of Bitcoin is worse than North Korea. Counter arguments: but if you ignore him and had ought Bitcoin very time he bashes the currency, gains would have been impressive. Roubini hasn't been mocking Bitcoin since it was $600. He's been mocking it since it was $58. Imagine how short your attention span must be, and how strong your self-delusion, to gloat with vindication during every dip from $58 to $7,000. His disdain for crypto was further criticized, luckily, Wyoming's pathfinding, and with the dedication of Caitlin Long, a 22-year Wall Street veteran and chair of Blockchain Forum, the state is laying the rails for the eventual financialization of Bitcoin. In a step that we can only interpret as the much-needed boost for legitimization of cryptocurrency, legislators led by Senator S. Nethercott, Driscoll, Perkins and Rothfuss and Representative S. Harshman, Lindholm, Laux, Olson and Wilson are proposing a digital assets existing law that will clarify the position of digital assets and the framework for custodial solutions via banks. Caitlin Long breaks it down as below. All the same critics are back saying the bill is an anti-innovation and anti-Bitcoin. Note that at the end of the day, if this bill is approved, pending BTC off personal wallets may be deemed illegal, and this is where clarity is needed. Caitlin Long clarifies about banks offering custodial solutions, saying, "And